Welcome to Wakaby House, your ultimate source for stunning tropical bungalow transformations. Today, we're diving into how to design a lush, peaceful mini garden retreat in your own front yard. Whether you have a small space or a sprawling yard, we have the perfect DIY tips and ideas to turn your home into a tropical oasis. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the fence. You don't just want any fence. This is your first line of tropical defense. Imagine bamboo slats with vibrant bougainvillea creeping up the sides, solar lanterns illuminating the path at night. Now, let's move on to the facade. A tropical home needs to feel like a retreat from the moment you approach. Think earthy tones, wooden cladding, and an inviting roof made from nipa palm. In the front yard, we layer the magic. Tall banana trees and colorful hibiscus plants surround stepping stones leading to a serene water feature. It's like walking into a mini rainforest. Now, let's create the perfect porch. Picture this: a wooden deck, a hammock swaying gently, and wrought-tin chairs that invite you to sit back and relax. Your entryway is the gateway to your paradise. Start with a carved wooden door, tropical prints on the cushions, and a woven mat that beckons guests inside. Moving through the hallway, you're greeted with light wooden accents and lush indoor plants like snake plants and monsteras. It's airy and fresh, guiding you further into your tropical sanctuary. The living room is the heart of the home. Natural wood furniture, palm print cushions, and towering plants give it a lush, coastal feel. Your dining room should feel like a place of connection, with a wooden bamboo table and woven pendant lights overhead. Tropical fronds as the centerpiece complete the look. In the kitchen, you want a space that's both functional and filled with natural charm. Terracotta tiles, stone countertops, and a hanging herb garden will transport you to the tropics. Imagine a bathroom where stone tiles meet teak accents, and tropical plants thrive in the humidity. It's your personal spa retreat. A tropical office should inspire calm and creativity. Think a wooden desk, rattan furniture, and pothose plants climbing the walls. It's a space where you can focus, surrounded by nature. Your bedroom should feel like a tropical retreat. Soft linens, bamboo headboards, and natural light filtering through sheer curtains create the perfect ambience for relaxation. Even your basement can join the tropical dream. Bright paint, light flooring, and indoor plants make it feel welcoming. Next, we have the deck. This space should seamlessly connect with your garden. Imagine weather-resistant seating, hanging plants, and a cozy corner for sipping tropical drinks. Now, who doesn't dream of a plunge pool? A natural stone or pebble pool, surrounded by bamboo fencing and lush greenery, is pure luxury. The backyard is your personal jungle. Dense greenery, meandering paths, and a fire pit area create a peaceful retreat. The courtyard is the heart of your tropical bungalow. Picture a small water feature, zen garden, and cozy seating surrounded by plants. And finally, the garage. Yes, even this can be part of your tropical haven. With wooden slat doors, climbing plants, and bamboo shelves, it blends into your garden seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to transform your own space into a tropical paradise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing design tips.